our topic is use of pop songs in second language learning to acquire vocabulary. Well, the manual for instrument administration and ethics, we have 4 types. For administration, we have administration by mail, that is the researcher has not contact with the respondent. The one-to-one administration is when someone delivers a questionnaire by hand to the designated person. The group administration is commonly used with language learners, and the online administration.
Well, we also have strategies to increase the quality and quantity of participants. We have advance notice, the attitudes, respectable sponsorship, presence of the survey administrator, emphasizing confidentiality, and promising feedback on the results. We also have the confidentiality and other ethical issues, and we have the strategies of identification through the seating plan and a self-generated identification coding procedure. Research question, that is, does the use of pop songs help English second language learners to acquire new vocabulary? The hypothesis is that the use of pop songs will help English students to acquire new vocabulary, and the population will be students of the bachelor's degree in foreign language of the UHAT. As a sample, we will take 60 English students of the UHAT, and we will use the convenience or opportunity sample.
The research instrument 1 is observation event sampling, Nunan's scheme, and the independent variable is the use of pop songs. For the piloting criteria, we will have 3 observers, and they will analyze the items described in the observation scheme. And 2 observers are English teachers, as you had. The observer has a doctorate in education sciences, and the observers will make an analysis of the statements described in the table, and they will provide feedback about the reactions and the answers they have given. The procedure that we are going to use is one-to-one administration, and the scheme will be delivered by hand to the English teachers, and we will explain to them each statement of the scheme and all the items that make it up. Also, we are going to be present in case that the teachers have any questions. For the research ethics principles, we will apply the following general principles. The principle number 1, that is no harm should come to the respondents as a result of their participation in the research. All the data will be used only for the purpose of the investigation. And also we are going to use the principle number 3, that is provide true information about the extent to which answers will be held confidential, as well as how and for what purpose the data will be used. We'll inform the students the general aspects of the investigation and ask for their cooperation.
Our second instrument is a test with short answer questions. The variable is the dependent, the vocabulary. For the piloting criteria, the initial piloting of the item pool will be applied to 10 students that have enough time to answer the test. And we will listen to their suggestions about the items, and we will change the items if it's necessary. For the final piloting, the test will be applied to 20 students with similar characteristics at the group of students we will test in the real study, and again divided into 2 groups. The instrument administration procedure will be group administration. The instrument will be given to 5th semester English students at the UHAT. The purpose of the test and each item it contains will be explained to them, doubts will be answered, and measure will be taken to prevent copying or talking. It is also important to write an educational justification for the use of class time. The research ethics principles will be applied strategy, which is identification through the setting plan. We cannot promise anonymity at all because we will report the test results to the teacher, but we will put a pre-code identification number for each test and then record the respondents' exact sitting during the test administration. And also we will apply the same principles, the principle 1 and the principle 3 that my partner already mentioned. And this is all for us. Thank you so much.